Milk is a perfect food. It should form an essential part of everyone's daily diet since it has a great nourishing value. Doctors prescribe having a glass of milk. It is good for everyone, but it is particularly for growing children, old people, and expecting mothers. For babies, it is essential. Milk contains vitamins and gives us strength. It keeps us healthy and strong. Milk is mainly obtained from cows and buffaloes. Some people also drink milk of goat, sheep, and camel. Milk has many uses. Apart from being drunk directly, it is added to tea and coffee, curd, paneer, cheese, and sweets are made from milk. Before using, it must be boiled. This kills germs. Goat's milk is said to be the easiest to digest. In some cities and towns, milk is sold at booths and shops. It is now sold in packets and pouches. It is also available in powder form. Today, India produces more milk than it needs and is in a position to export it. Its importance as a valuable food cannot be ignored. A tea stall is a teeny shop where tea is prepared and served. It is seen on the roadside, in markets, stations, terminals, etc. Everyone is acquainted with it. In a tea stall, there are one or two long tables and some long benches to sit. The owner himself or herself or a manager runs the stall. Tea, coffee, biscuits, cakes, bread, etc. are sold in the tea stall. A tea stall usually opens very early in the morning and closes very late at night. In a tea stall, one or two boys serve the customers with tea or other food items they need. Passengers, rickshaws, pullers, officials, laborers, passers by, students, political workers, and many others are the customers of tea stall. People from different walks of life discuss their respective issues with one another. Sometimes the political discussions turn into quarrels. People get a fresh cup of tea and a new daily newspaper to read very morning. Thus, a tea stall is not only a center of getting refreshed with tea but also a place of being informed of various things and exchanging ideas for people. So, the tea stall plays an important role in our day to day lives. It is true that trees are our friend. They give us many things such as oxygen, fruits, wood, rubber, cotton, maintain our ecosystem, control global warming, prevent flood, paper, stop soil erosion, etc. Without trees, it is not possible. Trees are the home for many wild animals and birds. Trees are important gift of nature. Different parts of trees are used in making medicines, and medicines save our lives and maintain our lives. Without trees, we are unable to save our lives. That is why trees play an important role in our life, and hence they are our good friends. According to me, a cup of tea means a lot. It is not just a cup of tea, it will change our mood in seconds. It will open up our eyes. It will give us energy. It will recall all the related memories and what not a cup of tea can do for us. That is why it is not just a cup of tea. It will recall all the related memories. A cup of tea is a medium for this present generation to get close to our families, friends, and relatives. It is a nice and healthy medium by which we can be able to maintain the warmness of our relationships. We can get together and recall all our sweet memories and also make sweet memories for the future. Tea acts as an instant energy source for us. You can examine it as when we are feeling lazy or whenever we are having cold or cough. A cup of tea will definitely help you. It will increase your energy and relax your throat. A cup of tea increase our energy as tea is hot, and after drinking a hot drink our neck and nose becomes clear, and due to this our voice becomes clear and effective. Hence, in such ways, a cup of tea is very much useful and helpful for us. Rat is a mammal. Rat is also called as mouse. Rat or mouse is a small animal and found all over the world. They are of different colors and different sizes. Rats have four legs and a long tail. Rats have two ears and two cute little eyes. According to Hinduism, rat is related to Lord Ganesha. Mouse is considered as a close one of Lord Ganesha. That is why Hindu people worship rat. As per the climate of the place, rat's color changes. At cool place, white color rats are found. At hot place, black rats are found. And at moderate place, brown rats are found. So, rats are of three colors such as white, black, and brown. Newspaper plays an important role in our daily life. Everyone has to read newspaper daily. For students, newspaper help them in many ways, such as it increase reading ability, understanding ability, current affairs, general awareness, etc. It is also helpful for adults, housewives, businessmen, etc. We cannot imagine our life without newspaper, because without newspaper we cannot get aware of what is happening around the globe. It is very necessary for us. Newspapers are the short form of television because from TV we are connected to the whole world. Similarly, newspapers also do the same thing. It is very necessary for all of us. Nowadays, electricity has become one of the most important needs of our daily life. From morning till the evening and from winter till summer, we need electricity for everything. We use electricity as well as we waste it, but we have to save it, as we know that electricity can also be produced by solar energy. We can also save electricity by using it in a required amount, and we can also save it by taking care that we can switch off all the lights, fans, and other gadgets when we go outside. We have to save it because it is non renewable. So we have to save it for our future generations as our forefathers did. My roof is not just a roof of our home, but it is a huge package of memories for me. Roof is the place where approx half of our days were spent. We were busy in playing various games on the roof. Actually, in my family, we are two brothers, one sister, and three cousins. So our team used to play at our favorite place, that is roof. On the roof, we mainly played cricket, badminton, and other running games because my roof is very large in size. At the evening time, we also fly kites when my father comes back from the office, and then he teaches us how to fly a kite. At the time of early morning, our roof is the place where we can enjoy and feel the beauty of the nature. Also, at the time of night, the whole sky is clearly visible from my roof. Moon and all the stars enhance the beauty of our nights. We get the lovely experiences on the roof. Stop.